Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 24th of May, just dropped all the kids off at school. Riley is on his school camp back Friday from that, so that's been great. Finn is back at school today, which is awesome. We've got all the kids back at school, just me and Leonie here today. We should be able to get some stuff done today. Very chilly, drab, cold day outside today. Not a frost, but just one of those days where it's really hard to motivate yourself to go outside and do anything. So I'm not sure what the plan is at this stage. We're going to find something to do around here. We've got no kids to interrupt us. Get stuck into it, get some stuff done, because I'm on the road tomorrow up the Waikato. I've got some transfers to do up there. Right, I think what I might do is make a start on changing Kira's seat on her bike. Get this swapped out, and then when she gets back, I can get the right height for it. Right. Need to undo one of those again. Need some tools. So I'm going to take the seat off this old bike. That should work. Right, get the seat taken off, put another seat on it, and we're good to go. Last time I did this was a real struggle. Oh, flippin' jingers. Flippin' jingers. Ready?
Bloody hell, it's turning now.
Far out. So this time, I've brought power tools. There it goes. Look at that, much easier. That was way easier than last time. Much easier. Sorted. Just ordered that 360 camera, so hopefully we get some interesting footage with that. Oh. That's better, a bit of heat. Get this house warming up, because it sounds like we're going to have to go to town again and pick up Leonie's prescriptions before I go to the Waikato. It's been actually really good lately. We've changed our whole business model in the last 6 months, and we've actually got contractors doing a lot of work for us, doing all our tour work and a lot of our transport work. And it's worked out great. I've hardly had to leave home. Everything's ticking along really nice, but this week I've got a few trips I have to do myself, so I've got to go and do them. Which is fine, I enjoy doing them, getting out of the house and up on the road again, catching up with some clients. But best decision we ever did, getting contractors to take over some of the work. Just took the pressure right off, and it gave me more time behind the scenes to work on overseas marketing and generating more business. Normally I'm not that keen on going to town every day, but today I'm super excited because it's windy and cold and miserable. And I get to wear my new pants I got yesterday, and they are super warm. So let's get into town and get all this stuff for Leonie, get her supplies before I go away on the road. What do you want? Harley left the door open in the car after he got out last night, so we're really hoping that a possum didn't get in there last night. If there is, I guess Harley's going to be cleaning it out this afternoon. Nothing come running out.
Drowned in suicide, faithless lover cast aside. This is how she came to be, Lorelei of the sea. Hopes destroyed, she wanted to find certain death, peace of mind. Now you wonder, who is she?
We have arrived in Stratford. Leonie's just going to get a prescription. Sun is out in town, didn't look too flash on the way, and I thought it was going to be raining actually, but it's just on the mountain. Pick up Leonie's supplies, get a few bits and pieces for lunch from the supermarket, then head home.
Many tales I've been told of sailors having died after seeing a mermaid known as Lorelei. The faithless lover, that is me. She, siren of the sea. Next time that the seagulls fly, don't you cry, sweet Lorelei. Seagulls fly.
Right, we are done at Newwood, got our few bits and pieces for lunch, but it ended up being a mini grocery shop. Always does. You get in there and there's always stuff you need.
Well, there's stuff on special and you think, oh, I'll get that while it's on special.
Yes, and what's on special now is historically expensive. It's ridiculous. Right, you got it?
Just,
Right, so quick battery swap in the camera and we're done in Stratford now?
yeah.
Out of here, back to the house.
When mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. The guilt is mine, it was untrue. The question is, what am I to do? All I know is I've gotta try to find sweet Lorelei. Make amends for what's been done, 'cause I believe that she's the one. And I will go where seagulls fly, try to find sweet Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei.
At least it's nice and warm inside. The fire did its job. Well, it'd be nice to sit here in front of the fire all day, but that's not really achieving much, so we thought we'd go and get another load of firewood before we pick the kids up from school. At least get one load in today, then at least we've done something other than go to town.
This lover that is me, and she, siren of the sea. Next time that the seagulls fly, don't you cry, sweet Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. The guilt is mine, it was untrue. The question is, what am I to do? All I know is I've gotta try to find sweet Lorelei. Make amends for what's been done, 'cause I believe that she's the one. And I will go where seagulls fly, try to find sweet Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. There she is, I hear her cry, asking me if I will die. There ain't nothing I won't do for you, Lorelei. Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids cry, those tears won't dry for Lorelei. Seagulls fly when mermaids
It's been a great afternoon. Firewood is done, kids are picked up. Now it's going to sort out the rest of Kira's bike before it gets too late and cold. Oh, these muttbag kids left the car doors open again.
Oh, Harley.
We'll take about that much off. Easy to ride with those tyres inflated too.
And not socks and jandals. What's it like? Is it like your one or? Oh, it's skipping. Hey?
Yeah.